Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO for the I have installed one new A version 2.110 on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus days ago. Today I want to show you what I think, if it's cool, if it's stable. Okay, get ready. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at S9 Plus is here for you. This is the box. As you can see, it's not a joke. 6.4 gigabyte of internal storage, and you can read more information about this here. As you can see, this is 6.2 inch Quad HD Super AMOLED, super speed dual pixel camera, 12 megapixel. As you can see, slow motion, 8 megapixel in the frontal camera, EF selfie camera, stereo speakers, okay, IP68 water and dust resistant, and iris scanner. Wonderful. 6 gigabyte of RAM also. This is cool, very good, thank you. And it's midnight black. Okay, midnight black. Now let's go to the unboxing of this model. Get ready. Okay, now purge. Okay, you need to purge. When you purge, you have this crazy wonderful. Look at it too. You can start. Thank you. And you have again Samsung on this box. Okay, Samsung is here also. This is crazy, it's amazing, wonderful. Now you have a sticker. You need to cut the sticker. Okay, and now let's open this quickly. And wonderful, look at inside. Wow, can you see something? Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is in front of you. Wonderful, very nice, very good. Okay, now you have to take this. Okay, very good. You have this, wonderful. And you have your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus into this beautiful box. This is amazing. Amazing 66.2 inch screen. Nice. Before taking this, let me show you this. This is something special. Look at, wonderful. This is for your SIMs, to remove your SIMs in your SD card. You have also quick start kit. This is quick start kit in this box. As you can see, it's not a joke. Wonderful. And on quick start kit, you have so many things like that, so many things. Look at all of this. Wonderful. Okay, I bought this a few years ago. Okay, wonderful. This is what you need to know about your beautiful phone. Okay, or your device. Wonderful. Okay, thank you. Now let's go to the unboxing of this beautiful phone. Now your phone is here. Look at the add-on is crazy. It's amazing when you turn. Look at, wonderful. Okay, beautiful. As you can see, the screen is very, very, very good, very nice. I like it. The add-on is amazing. Two amazing camera here. As you can see, two 12 fast, super speed camera. This is crazy. Nice. with your fingerprint here. This is your fingerprint, okay? The fingerprint with your flash, okay? Normally you need to know this is amazing. Now let's turn on this beautiful phone, okay? Let's turn on. Look at beautiful. Get ready for that. Wait a few minutes. Wonderful. This is the brand new 1UA version 10. Let me turn off the light. Now look at. Can you see something? Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, now let me put my password. Okay, let me put my password and unlock this quickly. Look at it for the first time. As you can see, it's not a joke. It's working very well. And there are 1UE version 2.1 into. Look at that. Crazy. As you can see, this is 1UE version 2.1. As you can see, working is black, and I like it. Look at these beautiful icons. Okay, amazing. Okay, let me show you very well. Okay, welcome. As you can see, it's not a joke. My Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is here in front of you with its boxes. This is box. The unboxing is done. Now, when you hear is too, let me show you. Look at. This is the black version. Okay, it's black. Look at. Wow, this is crazy. Look at that. It's wonderful. Let's go to see on settings. As you can see here, there are some new icons. There are music share, quick share also here. As you can see, it's not a joke. Click on settings. Welcome to settings. Now you have about phone, soft information, and 1UA version 2.1 here. Android 10. Crazy. And on this version, there are also a new feature on in the camera. Open. In the camera, you have more, and you have something special here that we call Pro Video. Look at Pro Video. This is a good news for you. You can see the aperture change it. Look at that. You have this. You can change the aperture in front of you. Okay. Aperture f1.5 now. And you have this. Okay. Can you see something? Autofocus. Wow. Now you can see something very well. This is not bad, it's crazy, it's good, it's very nice, impressive. I like this. The night mode is always here. And it's good. I used this for a few days ago now. Now, I think that is stable. Very nice. Wonderful. My files. Where my SD card into. Working very well, no problem with this. It's nice. Beautiful. You have also your edge screen, application edge. Really good. What do you think about this? Nice. You can play music here. Wonderful. This is crazy. I like it. Can turn off. And it's done. So your boxing is done. Beautiful. And this is crazy. I like it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to install, you can install. And enjoy yourself. This is really, really nice. Thank you.